It is a very tricky question. The question is, compare the power used in 2 ohm in the following circuits. Two circuits are given. Here this 1 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in series combination. Here this 1 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in parallel combination. So we need to understood from here, when the resistances are connected in series combination, then the current through these resistors is same. Okay. When the two resistors are connected in parallel combination, then the voltage across these resistors is same. So I want to say here, the current flowing through 1 ohm is the same current flowing through this 2 ohm. The current is same. Okay. And there in the next circuit, the voltage appeared across the 1 ohm resistor and the 2 ohm resistor is basically same. And here the supply voltage 6 voltage is actually applied across it. Power. We know that power is equal to VI. But here the voltage across these two are not same. But the current is same. So I use the Ohm's law, V equal to IR here, and I will use this relationship I square capital R. Okay. But here P equal to VI, current obviously is not same in these two resistors since the resistances are different. So if I apply the Ohm's law here and if I try to write down, if I try to replace the current, I can do it that I equal to V by R. Therefore, it becomes V square divided by R. And in the both cases, I want to find out the current through the 1 ohm resistor. So at first try to write down what is the equivalent resistance RS in this circuit, the equivalent resistance. Okay, equivalent resistance is 1 plus 2 ohm, that is 3 ohm. This is the equivalent resistance. Okay. So if I try to write down the equivalent circuit, it will be like this. It will be 3 ohm. It is 6 volt. Okay. What is the current flowing through it? I can easily find out by Ohm's law. V equal to IR. V is 6, I into R is 3. Sorry, R is 3. So it will be 2 ampere. So if I replace it, it will be 2 square since I try to find out the current through this 1 ohm resistor. The value of R is 1, so the answer will be 4 watt. Here 6 volt is applied across it, so we need not to find out the equivalent here. Since 6 volt is applied across this 1 ohm, so I can write it down at 6 square divided by 1 as we try to find out the resistance through the 1 ohm. Okay. So that will be 36 watt. Okay. In the question it is asked what is the power distributed through 2 ohm. I can apply the similar formula. If I just say it is P1, then we can say it is P2. P2 will be I square into R2 or 2 ohm. So I will be the same current is flowing through this circuit, same current is flowing through this 1 ohm and 2 ohm. So it will be 2 square, R is 2, 4 into 2 it is 8 watt. Okay. Similarly, if I try to find out the power through this 2 ohm, the same formula will be applied here, that is V square, we can say R2, and the V square is 6 square divided by 2, that is 36 divided by 2, that is 18 watt. So here it is 8 watt and it is 18 watt, and obviously it is greater. Okay. Thank you all of you.